divided whether the world's largest climate conference, COP26, achieved anything substantial or ended with promises not backed by concrete action plans. I believe countries such as India have made huge progress by committing to faster carbon neutrality. But when it comes to carbon emissions, buildings have a huge role to play, with their heating, cooling and lighting requirements taking up large chunks of fossil fuel or coal energy. Today, we put the spotlight on Smart Joules, an energy startup which is on a mission to remove 1 gigaton of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere every year by changing the way large businesses manage their energy. Arjun Gupta, the founder of Smart Joules, an energy efficiency startup ranked amongst the 100 most innovative climate tech companies in South Asia, believes that if all of India's commercial buildings were made energy efficient, the saved wattage could lift 300 million Indians out of energy poverty.
There's a lot of energy savings to be had in any building, in any factory across the country. And these savings actually come from 3 different sources. By really intelligent design, right equipment selection, and intelligent, continuously optimized operations using real-time data. These are 3 ways we can actually improve our energy performance by a really, really meaningful manner.
Led by intelligent design, efficient equipment and real-time data-led intelligent operations, Smart Joules says it has helped institutional clients, including hospitals like Apollo, Max, Fortis, KIMS, to bring down their energy usage and costs by 25 to 40%, and for one hospital client, as much as 70%.
In any commercial building, like a big building, the main energy consuming area is centralized air conditioning. So we had to go really deep and figure out how can we actually do this, transform the entire cooling system from one fuel to a completely different fuel. So that is what I mean by design. We installed about 100 different sensors all across the different areas of this hospital. And for each of these 100 points, we have intelligent algorithms which are telling us whether this energy that is being consumed every minute is too much or is it just right. So with these, I would say in all, we have installed about 40 to 50 energy saving measures in this hospital over time to achieve the 70+% savings that we have been constantly achieving now.
Every watt of traditional energy saved is carbon emission reduced and a critical step forward in India's commitment to become net zero by 2070. The new age purpose-driven startups like Smart Joules are making it possible for responsible companies to drive energy efficiencies with end-to-end solutions. If you've not optimized your building's energy consumption, the time to do it is now. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.